Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Received a package in the mail, as you can see. I won a RC car through another YouTube video. It's JB's RC's channel. I'll put a link down in the description. Just wanted to unbox and show it, and let's check it out. Oh, awesome. Well, congratulations, he's done a couple of these. I've seen another unboxing video from another channel just recently. I think he's done, 3 so far. Looks like it's packed well. Very cool. So, I picked, out of the 3 he was giving away, it is I think it's a Fay 6x6. It's very similar to the WPL line. Even looks like some of the parts are the same. He said he'd throw in the 260 motor, I think, on the side. Looks like, yep, there it is right there. So I'll install that later. Check that out. Looks like it's got a 180 motor in it. And stock tires. Looks pretty cool. An old military truck. Looks like an old power wagon kind of. I got a couple WPLs, the C24s. I got 2 of them. I've been modifying them, so I got some videos coming up on that, if I can get those modified good. Looks like not proportional steering, maybe. Looks like maybe an older model, but yeah, it looks really cool. Let's see. Looks like a pistol grip. Looks like a controller, which is really cool. That'll help. And yeah, looks like that's it. The 270 or 260 motor and gearbox. So I wonder if that will give me more torque. Pretty happy with just the 180 motor in my WPLs, and a good ESC and a good LiPo battery, and good tires. These things can do pretty well. So I think a cool modification to this would be making a custom bed, either out of styrene, some kind of either box, or maybe even get real fancy and make a bed that lifts with a servo, like a dump truck. I'll have to check out maybe some historical photos and see maybe what I can do, or just like a wooden stake side bed. Yeah, this is really cool. Thank you for JBRCs for doing the giveaways, and I'm really happy that I won. I think I'll do some future videos with the rock pile in the back and see how well this crawls, and take it out, maybe even the place where I take out my tent scales. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. The likes and subscribes really help out any channel on YouTube, so I really appreciate for everybody that's followed and commented and liked, subscribed. Really appreciate it. Have a good one, and keep on crawling. See ya.